We are tracking major developments this morning in the Moscow murders case. We have learned that Bryan Kohberger plans to take a plea deal that would take the death penalty off the table.
KREM 2's Christian Garza joins us with reaction to this decision, including from the family of one of the 4 victims who is not happy with this development. Christian?
We are expecting that Bryan Kohberger will change his plea in court tomorrow. Families of the 4 University of Idaho students tell us they were sent an email with a letter attached saying he's agreed to plead guilty on all 4 counts of first-degree murder. Kohberger is charged with murdering Kaylee Gonsalves, Ethan Chapin, Xana Kernodle, and Madison Mogan in their off-campus home 2.5 years ago. The plea deal comes just 2 months before the trial was originally scheduled to start. In exchange for pleading guilty, Kohberger will receive 4 consecutive life sentences. Prosecutors had been seeking the death penalty now if he were found guilty. This plea also has Kohberger waiving his right to appeal. We had a chance to speak with former Idaho Attorney General David Leroy about what this means for Kohberger's future.
Now that he is going to plead guilty, re-entering society is forever foreclosed, given the dreadful nature of these murders and the risk that he would propose to society were he to re-enter. This is a good result in a hard case, and the only possible outcome other than proceeding forward on a death penalty matter.
While Leroy says it's likely Judge Hippler will sign off on the plea deal tomorrow, former King County Supreme Court Judge Timothy Bradshaw believes there's still another option on the table.
If the judge does not conclude those things, that it is not voluntary, that it's a product of some sort of coercion, then yeah, the judge can reject it. The judge has an affirmative duty to make that determination.
After the decision to take the plea deal was made, the family of one of the 4 victims, Kaylee Gonsalves, sent a strong statement about the, quote, hurried effort to close the case, end quote, saying the Latah County Prosecutor's Office's treatment of our family during this process is something I wouldn't wish on anybody. We weren't even called about the plea. We received an email with a letter attached. That's how Latah County's Prosecutor's Office treats murder victims' families. Our family is frustrated right now, and that will subside, and we will come together as always and deal with the reality that we face moving forward. Details for this new development in this case is still limited, but we are keeping an eye on what you at home can expect from tomorrow's court hearing. Coming up in the next half hour, we hear from Madison Mogan's father, Benjamin, directly about if he thinks justice is being served for his daughter. In studio, Christian Garza, KREM 2 News.
Our Amanda Rowley will be in Boise tomorrow to report on the Kohberger plea hearing. We also plan to bring you that hearing live on KREM 2+.